Meaning of hummingbird.
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 Hummingbird. Hummingbird refers to a small, agile bird known for its ability to hover in mid-air by rapidly flapping its wings. These birds are found in North and South America and are often brightly colored with iridescent feathers. Due to their unique flying abilities, they have become symbols of joy, love, and beauty. In Native American culture, hummingbirds are believed to represent healing, while in other cultures, they are associated with good luck and happiness. Overall, hummingbirds are fascinating creatures that hold special significance in many cultures around the world.